I know the blocks street by street, address by address better than anybody else, and I know what the value is, right? And I know where the neighborhood is going. Because that's the other way you can win on deals is if the neighborhood's getting better, right? Rents are coming up, you can kind of price things maybe a little bit more aggressively, knowing that the next guy is looking at what he can get today. And if you're investing in what you can get tomorrow, it's maybe a little speculative, but if you know that neighborhood and you know it's gonna be good, and you can go and take those risks, and you're gonna win more deals.
We always preach finding properties below market value. And we feel like we know those neighborhoods so well that we're able to find those properties below market value. And once we do, we're jumping on that offer ASAP.
And the other thing, it's like success breeds success. Now people know us in those neighborhoods, right? So now people are sending us deals because they know we can close fast and will be easy to work with. So that's why it's important. Once you get that and you get your feet underneath you,
over and over and over and over,
it just simplifies the entire process of finding deals, closing them, and it becomes a beautiful thing.